A few days ago, Chuck Norris went on a vacation to the afterlife, giving death a near-Chuck experience. Though we expect him to raise from the dead eventually, here is 50 Chuck Norris jokes in honor of his great achievements thus far. Chuck Norris doesn't read books. He stares them down until he gets the information he wants. Time waits for no man, unless that man is Chuck Norris. If you spell Chuck Norris in Scrabble, you win. Forever. Chuck Norris breathes air 5 times a day. The flu gets a Chuck Norris shot every year. In the beginning, there was nothing. Then Chuck Norris roundhouse kicked nothing and told it to get a job. When God said, "Let there be light," Chuck Norris said, "Say please." Chuck Norris has a mug of nails instead of coffee in the morning. If Chuck Norris were to travel to an alternate dimension in which there was another Chuck Norris, and they both fought, they would both win. The dinosaurs looked at Chuck Norris the wrong way once. You know what happened to them. Chuck Norris's tears cure cancer. Too bad he has never cried. Chuck Norris once roundhouse kicked somebody so hard that his foot broke the speed of light. If you ask Chuck Norris what time it is, he will always say, 2 seconds till. After you ask, 2 seconds till what? He roundhouse kicks you in the face. Chuck Norris appeared in the Street Fighter II video game, but he was removed by beta testers because every button made him roundhouse kick. When he was asked about this glitch, he replied, "That's no glitch." Since 1940, the year Chuck Norris was born, roundhouse kick-related deaths have increased 13,000%. Chuck Norris does not own a stove, oven, or microwave, because revenge is a dish best served cold. Chuck Norris does not sleep, he waits. There is no chin behind Chuck Norris's beard, there's only another fist. The chief export of Chuck Norris is pain. Chuck Norris recently had the idea to sell his pee as a canned beverage. It's now called Red Bull. If paper beats rock, rock beats scissors, and scissors beats paper, what beats all three at the same time? Chuck Norris. On the 7th day, God rested. Chuck Norris took over. Chuck Norris can dribble a bowling ball. Chuck Norris drinks napalm to fight his heartburn. Chuck Norris's roundhouse kick is so powerful, it can be seen from outer space by the naked eye. If you want a list of Chuck Norris's enemies, just check the extinct species list. Also, fun fact, did you know 100% of my viewers are unsubscribed? Do I have to elaborate? I'm sure you've heard enough people say stuff like this. Just do it. Playing down with his finger by yelling bang. That just sounds like a putas pal. Wait, does that mean Chuck Norris was the original heavy? The 10th class? We found the 10th class!